Hey guys, welcome back to Kiara B Hairs. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I'm going to be coming to give you guys my 7-month lock update. I have dyed my hair, as you guys can see, and everything. My last update that I did was 4 months, so it's been about 3 months. And I'm coming to give you guys a lock update. So first thing first is my hair is definitely growing. As you guys can see, my bang is getting a little more fuller and longer, so I'm super happy about that. I did color my hair. I actually colored it about twice because I colored it like a light auburn color, and then I tried to touch up my hair with a rinse, and I actually picked the wrong rinse. I actually picked this Cajun spice color because it looked like it was like an auburn color, but it actually had more of a red tint to it, and I didn't too much care for that, so end up dyeing it again with Revlon color again, and I did lift it to get the red out. And this is golden blonde brown, lightest golden blonde, something like that. I did record that video, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I end up dyeing it again, and my hair is doing good. It's not dry, it doesn't feel brittle. I've been doing a pretty good job with making sure I keep it moisturized and things like that. I don't put conditioner on my hair when I just wash it. Just use oils, and leave-in conditioner, like, you know, the cream of nature leave-in conditioner, the one, you know, I've been using forever. I've showed you guys that plenty of times, so I just been using that leave-in conditioner on my locks and using oil. Now I do use the conditioner pack when I do the color that comes in the box, but other than that, I do not apply any conditioner or anything like that on my locks. I think I may do like a hot oil treatment sometimes, but for the most part, like, my locks are doing well. They're not dry, they're not brittle. They kind of feel the same way they felt when my hair was just black, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna give you guys a quick turnaround on my locks real quick, and then we're gonna jump into like some products that I've been using. And yeah, so this is what my hair looks like. This is what the back looks like, and the side. So this is what my hair looks like at 7 months, and I'm super excited, y'all. Like, I feel like when I hit 1 year, they're gonna be exactly how I want them to be. I have not been interlocking due to the fact I kind of just been retwisting my hair. I don't know, I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I'm gonna continue to retwist or if I'm gonna go back to interlocking, but I just been retwisting because I just been liking how fresh it looks with the color. But I did just retwist my hair, but this is what it looks like. But I would definitely say decide what you want to do, if you want to interlock or if you want to retwist. Honestly, I just kind of like the way the retwist look when I do my fresh color, and it has been quicker for me to retwist my hair versus interlocking. I get it done in 1 day versus when I interlock, it may take me 2 to 3 days. So that's why I've been retwisting. I also been retwisting because retwisting my locks also help with my frizziness, and I'm training my locks in the frizz right now, and that really helped my hair with the first set of locks. So that's also another reason why I've been retwisting, to kind of go ahead and train the frizzies and things like that. So let me give you guys a close up. So I also feel like that my hair is at a stage where I can start playing around with styles. The only style I have been doing is a braid out when I wash it and it's not freshly retwist. I've been playing around with braid outs, but I do want to start playing around with some curls and things like that, so make sure you guys stay tuned for those fun videos. I'm not using any like really new products. I've been using the same products, my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Water by As I Am and my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. I've been using the same stuff, but I have been using this Camille Rose oil. I don't know if I showed you guys this in a video yet, but I've been using this. This smells so good and have my hair so soft. So I've been using this, and I also been using the Spiked Honey Mousse. Love using this when I'm doing my braid outs and things like that. So I've been using this like as a styler, and this to kind of just rub on my locks. So these are 2 new products that I have added. And another product I've been using to retwist with, I kind of had this product for a long time, but I've been using this Lock-In Firm Wax by Jamaican Mango and Lime. Now I would say when using this, definitely use a little small amount so you don't experience any buildup. But some people don't like using products in their hair. I don't mind because I used to do locks, so I kind of know how to get the product out, how to strip my hair of the dirt and stuff like that, and add moisture back into my locks. So I've been liking this, using this, but I do have a video coming up with me using this. But I've been using this to retwist my locks, and I'm kind of too, just because like where I live, we kind of limited with hair items, and this was already in my stash, so I've been using this and I've been liking it so far. So I've been using this, and this Hot 6 oil, I've been using this to rub on my hair after I wash instead of using conditioner. I just have it like in this little bottle right here, but I've been liking this to use too. But anyways, like that's all I've been doing, y'all. I haven't been doing anything. Now when my hair grows a little bit on the sides, I have also been using this spiked mousse right here to lay my hair down and tie it down. But that's all I've been doing. As far as my braid pattern, you guys can see that it is starting to disappear. I do like the little curlies at the ends, especially with my hair being short. I do like how it's curled at the end, but it's kind of frizzy right now. But for the most part, like my braid pattern is starting to disappear. Nothing major has changed, but me just kind of changing the color of my hair. I kind of want to come update you guys on the braids of the pattern, how they, you know, are starting to disappear and look more like locks. I hope you guys enjoyed this 7-month lock update. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me. I do know somebody requested an interlock video, so I will be doing a video. Even though I'm not like really interlocking right now, I will come do a video and show you guys how I interlock when I do interlock. I wouldn't say go back and forth with retwisting and interlock, kind of choose what you want to do. But I will come do like an interlock video showing maybe 1 or 2 locks, because I did say I was going to do that for you guys. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Open up, shut it down like Macintosh. Open up, open